In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a matrix in Power BI and apply conditional formatting to highlight key values. To get started, you'll need to have Power BI Desktop or Power BI Service installed. Also, make sure you have a dataset with some numerical values and categories, which will serve as the foundation for your rows and columns. Let's dive in. Begin by importing or loading your data into Power BI. Once you have your data ready, navigate to the Report view. Here, locate the Visualizations pane and click on the matrix icon. This will allow you to set up your matrix visual. Next, move to the Fields panel. Here's where you'll start crafting your matrix. Drag a dimension such as category or product into the Rows section. If you want to create a crosstab, you can also drag another dimension into the Columns section. Following this, select a numeric field and drag it into the Values area, for example, Sales or Amount. Your matrix should now display sums or aggregates by default. Remember, if you've included multiple row fields, you can choose to expand or collapse the hierarchy for better insights. After setting up your matrix, you might want to refine its appearance a bit before jumping into conditional formatting. Head over to the Visual pane and find the Format tab. Here, you'll have various formatting options at your disposal. You can adjust grid lines and customize the row and column headers to fit your preferences. Alter font sizes and background colors to make your visual more readable and appealing. Totals and subtotals can also be configured from this panel. Furthermore, you can tweak indentation, allow word wrapping, and adjust column widths as needed to ensure everything displays neatly. Now, let's move on to the main highlight: applying conditional formatting to your matrix. This feature enables you to visually emphasize differences by using color-filled backgrounds, font color changes, data bars, or even icons, all based on the matrix's data values. To apply conditional formatting, start by clicking on your matrix visual to ensure it's selected. In the Fields panel, locate the field or measure you want to format within the Values section. Typically, there should be a small drop-down arrow next to this field. Click it, select Conditional Formatting, and then choose the type of formatting you'd like to apply. You'll have options such as background color, font color, data bars, icons, and sometimes more, like web URL. After selecting your preferred formatting, a dialog box will appear. Here, you can set up the specifics. First, choose your desired format style, whether it's rules-based, color scale or gradient, or field value-based. Decide on which field or measure will determine the formatting, usually sticking with the same value field or related measure. Then, define your rules, ranges, or colors. For instance, you can establish thresholds, like if value is less than 1000, color it red. If it's 1000 or more, go with green, or set up a gradient color scale ranging from min to max values. Once you're satisfied with the settings, simply click OK or Apply. The matrix will instantly update to reflect these changes, allowing you a dynamic view of your data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll not only create a matrix in Power BI, but enhance it with visually striking conditional formatting that highlights the most important insights.